Indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB lawyer, Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor has called out Anambra State Governor, Professor Soludo over the arrest and detention of a well-known native doctor always on social media, Chidozia Nwangu aka Akwa Okukotiwara Aki, accusing the governor of violating the rights to religious practice of the suspect as guaranteed by Nigeria Constitution. This, as Governor Charles Chukwuma Soludo goes harder on Babalawos, which are spiritual native doctors falling insecurity in the state, most especially those under the religious practice of Okite or Ezemani that are widely believed to be responsible for the encouragement of people into kidnapping, organs harvesting, money rituals, specifically rampant cases of stolen babies and boyfriends killing girlfriends for money ritual purposes, with investigation indicating that some dangerous crimes in Anambra are committed by teenagers, minors or underage children often misled and manipulated into the inhuman crimes by elderly ones, forcing the Anambra State government to enact a new law that is Start Homeland Security Law 2025 that came into effect on January 17, 2025, which banned anyone from advertising or showcasing on social media or any public place his or her supernatural powers to make people rich without any lawful means of legitimate business, forbids any spiritual native doctor from using their powers to perfect magical bulletproof for people to commit crime in the state, and strictly stipulated 25 years imprisonment with no option of fine for any spiritual native doctor that requires human parts or blood to administer charms or protection to anybody in the state. A careful study of the Anambra State Homeland Security Law, the government did not ban the practice of Babalawo, which are spiritual native doctor, but anyone who practiced his or her religion in a manner that violates other sections of Nigeria Constitution, public rights or the rights of any human being in the state. The native doctor, Akwa Okuko, in a video made available online on Saturday where he was seen interrogated by the Anambra State Deputy Governor, Onyeka Ebezim, said he has long stopped the practice of Okite immediately he heard about the Homeland Security Law concerning Okite, adding that he is not the owner of the social media account where supernatural powers for wealth and protection is being advertised and propagated. The Homeland Security Law stipulates 1 year imprisonment or a fine of 5 million naira or both for any landlord or house owner that rent his or apartment out to tenant without collecting a valid means of identification, details of work occupation of the tenant, and submitting same immediately to the President General of the community or leadership of his or her estate for onward transmission of the tenant data to authority. All hotels, guest houses, inn, lodges, motels, shortlets or any commercial dwelling places in the state are by the new law mandated